Rajen Jani tutorial, start. The importance of travel and its benefits.
As a sociology graduate working at an NGO, I've got to say, I'm absolutely head over heels for meeting new people and just observing human nature. My job, thankfully, entails quite a bit of traveling, which is just brilliant because it constantly gives me opportunities to visit different countries. It's like I'm always on the go. I've been so incredibly benefited by experiencing different cultures, languages, norms, and customs firsthand. It is truly eye-opening. Honestly, I've come to a point where I don't really see myself as just a resident of India. I consider myself more of a global resident. The whole world has really become my home, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
Rajen Jani tutorial, end.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial Rajen Jani. Text Google Gemini AI. Images Copilot Image Creator. Audio Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of speech Google Cloud Natural Language API. Python code Google Gemini AI. Video editor Kdenlive.